So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a new slide on Visme. So pretty straightforward. Open up Visme now. If you go to the right hand side of your screen, there's an option over here that says new slide. If you just simply press on new slide, then you have a whole bunch of different options which you can select from. So you can go ahead and insert a blank slide or insert, the same slide as before. You can go to more templates if you want as well. You can insert some of these slides as well, whatever the case may be. We're just going to go ahead and press on theme slides and then just press on blank slide. And there you go. We've now inserted a blank slide onto Visme. So pretty straightforward. Once again, if you just go to new slide, you can go to more templates. You can go to this template, for example, press on view, and then add like a title slide, for instance, if you want. You can go ahead and press on this one and then just press on insert. And there you go. You've now added a title slide. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can insert a new slide on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.